Hi everyone, in this video let us learn what are the various formats of date can be used in Excel. So here currently what I have is a number format, 12th day of 5th month of year 2020. So 2 digits for the day, 2 digits for month and 4 digits for the year. Now instead of this, if you want only 2 digits to be displayed of the year, you have to select this range, go to this formats, click on more formats, click on custom, and instead of 4Y here, make it 2. Click OK and you get only the last 2 digits of the year. Now this is the first thing. Second, if you want the name of the month instead of the number of the month, so click on this formats, go to more formats, custom. Here there are 2 M's for the month, make it 4. Click OK. It gives you the name of the month. Similarly, here you want the day of the week. Click here, click on more formats, custom. Here make 4 times D and click OK. So here you get the name of the day. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.